Disconnect the touch screen cable. Push outward to remove the touch screen. Remove the Wi-Fi antenna board. Loosen 2 terminal screws and unplug the main board power cord cables. Loosen 3 terminal screws and unplug the printer power cord cables. Remove 3 screws and take down the power module. Disconnect the fan cable, remove 2 fan screws, and remove the main board fan. Disconnect the Y motor cable, Z motor cable, and Y coil cable. Remove 3 screws, and remove the main board. Remove 1 screw, loosen the Y-axis coil. Remove the Z-axis decorative cover. Remove 2 screws, remove the spool holder quick release plate. Remove 5 screws. Then remove the base housing along the Z-axis. Unplug the power cord cables, and then remove the power switch. Confirm the direction of the switch, install it on the base housing. Connect the power cord cables. Install the base housing on the Z-axis and Y-axis assembly. Lock in 5 screws. Install the Y-axis coil in place and lock in 1 screw. Install the Z-axis decorative cover in the spool holder quick release plate. Install the main board, lock in 3 BT3*8 screws. Connect the Y coil cable, the Z motor cable, and the Y motor cable, and organize the cables. Install the main board fan. Lock in 2 fan screws and connect the fan cable. Install the power module. Lock in 3 screws. Connect the main board power cord and tighten the screws. Connect the power cord and tighten the screws. Attach the antenna board and connect the cable. Install the touch screen and connect the screen cable.